channel. So today there is not an exception and we continue our work on the IQ option platform. So as you see on the screen, today we're gonna work with bars. And my personal advice for you, try to make your stakes as close to the expiration line. I have already done my bet, so it is a put option. Why? If you see, for example, a long bar is growing up, so that is that moment when you have to open put option. When you see, for example, a long bar and its direction is falling down, so vice versa, that is good moment for buying call option, and that's all. So that is how you can work with bars. I'm gonna remember you that purchase time lasts 1 minute, expiration time lasts 30 seconds. So let's see, 15 seconds left. Right now everything is quite good. The market is falling down. I've done put option. So you see, oops, excuse me. You see right here there was a long bar and it was falling down. So that's why I've opened call option. You see, I was too close to get a successful trade, but we have what we have, and sometimes we get lost. So I don't want to give up. I'm not the kind of person. So the next deal should be 2.5 bigger than the previous one. So the next amount will be $250, and I continue. So you see, the market can be unpredictable, and I am lucky one. I have $210. That is how you can work with bars. But my personal advice for you, mix it with others, indicators and so on. So I go back to my initial position and continue. So the same, $100, I've opened call option. Here we have long distance bar which was falling down. So I hope that the market will grow for a while and I will get a successful result. So $84. You see, sometimes it's difficult with you to work with bars, but I guess everything will be quite good if you will mix it with other indicators. This video is just tutorial video, and I show you the basic steps how you can work with bars and with other indicators. But to be a professional trader, you have to mix all of them and use it and get a successful profit. So please share with me about your favorite indicators, strategies. I'm waiting for your opinion about this video. Is it good or not? And thank you for your attention. See you on the next time, and don't forget to put your likes. Bye.